Hi, and I'm thrilled that you've managed to make it this far, and it gets more exciting the more we go along. So in this video, I will show you how to make a logo. I am going to try a couple of different ways just to show you that it doesn't need to be expensive, it doesn't have to be time consuming. And as I said, I've got a Fiverr link if you want somebody else to create one for you. If you look online, there are so many places to go, but you could get lost down that rabbit hole for about a year and a half. I've seen it happen before, and I don't want that to happen to you. So I am going to show you how to make a logo with your name, or with my name as it is, right away, and then you will have no excuses as to start your website. So let's go. First of all, I'm in Google Docs. Free, absolutely free, and I'm just going to make a text logo. So I am going to put Alexandra, and I'm going to put gold, and I'm going to change the text. Let's make it a title. Let's change it to, what font do we like? Now, I usually upload my own fonts for this. So I have my own fonts. I've had them for years. I've only got two that I've bought that I use myself, as I said before. That's Scriptina Pro and Trigent Pro. But you don't have to do that. You certainly don't have to do that straight away. And let's see what we can make out of what we have already. I'm going to show you this on Google. Take the background off in two different colours and then in white. And then I will go over to Canva and show you a little bit more technical. Not sure what's available on the free Canva, but I'm sure that you can work something out really quickly to make it look really professional, really simple and ready to go, so that we can just get cracking and get you online ASAP. So let's go. I am going to go for, not tams, that's so boring, isn't it? Lobster, do we want a lobster? I'm going to go for the caveat, Alexandra. Actually, I think I'm just going to put that into, I'm actually going to take that up and create the same one, because that's quite nice, isn't it? Or do I make that more? Right, so what I can do here is change the colour. So I'm going to go for a goldy colour and a purpley colour, because you know I like that. I'm going to custom it, press custom. Remember, I've got my hex colours, so I just go in there, 660066. That's my purple one. Okay, now I could just leave it like that, or I can then take my cursor down there and do a couple. I'm going to just separate them a bit more and create little pictures out of them. Then I can insert them as I like. Insert image. Oops, image. Upload from computer. There's Alexandra. Insert. Okay. Image. Upload from computer. Gold. I can make that bigger. Oops, doesn't like it though, that's smaller. So it fits on. Let's see if we can do it. Meow. Oh, I've got that far too big actually. And maybe in Canva I can use them better. So let's go over to Canva. Create a new design. I'm going to do a logo. That's 500 by 500. You just need a template, a blank template here. So I'm going to upload a photo. This is how you can do exactly the same thing in Canva, okay? But I'm just going to upload what we've just done in Google. I am going to upload that one. I'm not sure that this would work to delete the white background, so just be aware. And then I'm going to get the other one. This is just to show you how quickly you can make your own logo. I've not put much thought into it, as you can see. It's not my usual ones. I will show you how I do those in a second. But I just want you to see how quickly. Oh, I haven't got that. Okay, so I'm going to take you back to this one, remove background. I'm going to put that into the documents. Where is it? Nope, not that one. Brand colors, logo, 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 logo. Okay, so remove background. That's your link for that. And also I need to put Fiverr in there, so I'll remember to do that. Right, so we're going to go to remove background, upload image, Alexandra, download. In graphics, so I can just put that in today's graphics. Then I'm going to remove background, upload image, gold, download. Go back to Canva, take those two out, delete them because they don't have a background. I need to be able to do this and layer them, and I can't do that without changing the background. So with this one, I'm going to trash that one, just so we don't get confused. Trash that one, and then I'll upload the ones without the background. So I go to my device, upload that one, and then hopefully this will work. I've not done it absolutely for free before because I've had these design tools for years now. And that's, oh dear, just undo. Where's undo? There it is, over here. Okay, it's not. Oh, what a shame. That is a real shame. But maybe I could crop. I could crop this so it's smaller, and that could go up higher there, just so it's about there. I will show you in PicMonkey in a second. You can't actually remove the background in this one until you actually upgrade, but you can do it. But I don't use this, the pro version of that. I've got PicMonkey, I've had it for years, and I'm quite confident on that. So you can get the transparent background, but you have to pay for it. You know, I just get lost with what I was using if I bought everything I saw, and that's not clever either. So I'm going to download this just to show you. PNG, see if it works on PNG. PNG works okay for most things. Test logo. But be aware if you're uploading to Instagram, it has to be a JPEG. I'm looking at my content that I'm putting up as we go. Where am I going? Oh yeah, upload there, remove background, upload image. But where's it gone? Oh yeah, let's go test logo. Okay, download. Okay, so let's see if we can put it on something else. Let's go back to just a new design with a background and colour. Let's just do, oh, let's just do one of my designs. Let's go back to the one. Where's those colours? Or did I do that in PicMonkey, didn't I? Create a design, Instagram post. I'm not going to use this for Instagram, it's a good colour. So we go to the background. You see you can change the colour of the background here. I am going to make it a nice teal colour, and it won't go at all. Then I'll upload this one. There you go. So it's on your logo is there, and you can move it to wherever you want. And that's how you create your templates for your social media, any of your branding. That's how you get it on there. And then I will go to PicMonkey and I'll show you how I've made my other ones in there, because they're just a little bit more technical. And you can spend the time doing this, removing the background, layering them all. But I find it's easier in PicMonkey, or just decide what you want and get somebody to do it on Fiverr, but it doesn't have to be a headache. You can actually just, let's just take that one out. Let's do another text one and put an element in as well. Add a heading. So this is the logo company. So you could just do it like that, and you could add a little element on there. So is there anything for logo? That's a free one. That fits in with our colours. Goes there. Goes there. The logo company. You could use that, crop it, and then take the background off, put it into white, and that's how easy it can be to create your own logo. But I'm going to go over now to PicMonkey and show you again in there. Right, so I'm going to log in. You can get a free trial, so you can use these even if you don't want to. I am going to create a new one. Blank canvas, just a square. It was the same sort of dimensions as it was in Canvas, 500 by 500. Then in this one, I can go immediately and change my background. I check that background spinny thing, rainbow, and then I click transparent, and it's immediately transparent for me. Okay, and then I go to text, and I have my text loaded on here. So I will say Scriptina Pro. It'll probably come up, yep, because I use it a lot. A woman on purpose. Now, I don't use the black, I use my brand colours. So I go on there, 836, E36, da-da-da-da. And I've already loaded all my graphics up, so let's go to photos. Sorry, it's already uploaded. Nope, it's not there at the moment. Let's go there, let's go and get my dragonfly. There we go. There's my wee dragonfly. Oh, I need to make you a favicon as well. We'll go and do that in a second in the next one. So we put that over there. It's far too big, so let's look at that. I've got all the layers that I can play with here. That didn't actually change the colour for me, so I'll use that one. Oh, no. Why isn't it working? There you go. I'll go over here, make that much smaller. Then I will do it like that. And this is how I would just do my own. If it was just for that, I'd make that much smaller so it was similar. But because I will do other things, so I use other text, I'll use my Lato and type make it smaller. A woman on purpose. Oh, actually, I don't like that. I want that up a bit. So you see where you can get it lined up so you're not making huge monkeys of yourself. Get that one up a bit. Or then I might just bring it down a little actually, because I'm going to just click on that, right click, duplicate the layer. I'm going to use exactly the same and double click foundation. Okay, and for that one I'm going to put in the middle of foundation, but it's lined up with the bottom of that, and there you go. I'm then going to crop the canvas because I don't need all of that. Certainly you don't want it if you're putting it onto a website. You really don't want all of that empty space. You want to make it as small as possible, and then I have to apply that, and that's all there is to it. I have now got a clickable so AWOP foundation logo. Okay, and then remember I said change it white? I'm going to do that. Literally go over there, change the colour to white is FFF. And you won't be able to see it, so you just got to trust. And that is, oh, there you go. It's there at the bottom, recently used. Change the colour, recently used. Oops, yeah, that's right. Change the colour, recently used. You have your white logo to use as a watermark for anything that you need it for. You can also do black ones if you so desire. So AWOP foundation logo white. Okay, and that's as easy as that. Just to show you how it works, I'll create a new image. Create new, blank canvas, Etsy. I'm going to change my background colour to, I'm going to try my purple one first, 660066. And then I'm going to add a photo, which is what it is now. So I'm looking for foundation logo on this Mac. There we go. I'm going to try that one. Plonk it on. Move it into the middle. And that's how it works. It's as easy and peasy as that. And I have my logo. Ta-da! I can't wait. What have I got to do? Oh, I'll show you the favicon next, and then after that we will start putting it all together on your website. I'll see you soon. Don't give up. See you back here in a minute. Oh, I want to see your logos. Put them in the group.